2020, the year of vision, the year of clarity. Hey, God is blessing me. God is blessing us. God is blessing we. Woo! All right, let me get serious. What's up to all of my bosses, future bosses, and aspiring bosses? I'm the head boss in charge, BeBe Nycole. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm BeBe Nycole, owner of DHG Hair Studio and Extension Bar for the ones that don't know. Do y'all notice something different? I'm not talking about my hair, sis. Even though you love to see it. Even though you love to see it. We're not talking about my hair. We're talking about merch. I'm excited. Ooh. Guys, you know why I'm excited about this? Because I don't know, out of all of my businesses, like this has been the most fun, this has been the most personal, this has been like, I'm really excited about this brand. And this is just the early development. I don't do due dates, I don't have a launch date. When it comes, you guys will see it and you'll be able to get it. But I'm working on some things and I'm really excited about this brand because it's not just for me, it's for you guys as well. We're a family, no matter where you are in this journey. Just know that I hope that entrepreneurship is a route that you choose to take. I hope you make all your dreams come true. I hope success finds you and I hope you find success. And we're a family and we got to represent together. And the beautiful thing about this brand is, you know, I wasn't always the head boss in charge. I started at the bottom. I started in the same place that you guys are in or possibly have been in. And yeah, so I have something for my aspiring bosses, my future bosses, and for all the people that are living in their dream and actually putting in that work for their business right now. We have the head boss merch. Oh, I mean, yeah, we just got all kind of stuff. We got all kind of stuff up our sleeve. So just know, in the future, you guys are gonna be able to have your merch on with me while we sit and kiki. You're gonna be able to sip wine with me, sip tea with me, everything. So guys, yeah, I'm working on that, but we're gonna move on. Let me tell you guys something. This video almost wasn't made. Let me tell you how God works. It's the holidays. It's about to be Thanksgiving. So if you're watching this and it's already Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family. Come back and watch this video later when you can watch it all the way through because the girl needs her watch minutes. Okay. Well, I just want to tell you guys quickly how God works. Like I really was overwhelmed with work and business, blessed. I can't complain because I'm blessed. I've never been, I don't know, it's been a very long time since I've been this booked in the salon, and I'm very booked and I'm very blessed, and I'm also very exhausted. I thought that this Monday would be the first Monday that I actually missed, and I was just so afraid of, like, I don't know, like I just kind of accepted it. It's in the middle of the night, like Monday is almost over and I haven't got a video out, but I was just sitting there like, you know, if I drop the ball on this, what kind of example am I setting to my bosses, my boss family? What kind of example am I setting if I don't show up? You know what I mean? Like someone has to show up. You got to be accountable. And I've learned my lesson with YouTube and just being inconsistent and just not following things through to see the blessing at the end, to see it, the vision come to fruition. I've done that so many times and I literally almost fell back into the same pattern, and I just got up. I just got up out of nowhere and said, no girl, you're gonna film this intro, you're gonna get this video out, you're gonna be consistent, and you're gonna be an example. And not only that, like, you put your word out there, it's time to be consistent, and it's time to, you know, pretty much live behind my words and really see my YouTube channel through. At least try it with 150% and then give up on it if it doesn't work. Even though I'm nowhere near that, I just had an overwhelming week. I'm no way, no shape or form thinking about quitting. It's just, I was tired. I was overworked this week, just exhausted. And I was just wanted to sit and just do nothing. But what is that gonna do for me? And to all the people that are looking forward to my videos, I hate for you to miss my face because you love to see it. I hate to not show up and encourage you and reach you, you know? I hate to do that, so let's jump right in. So I guess I'm going to, I don't know, I'm gonna scoot my chair over. Let's just say this. I'm gonna plan to talk this video through and then have the video over here. Let's say that. So the first thing I did is wash, blow dry my hair, braid it down. I did not show that in the video because that is pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty redundant. I know, everyone's tired of seeing that. We just want to speed these videos up, get to the T, get to the slay, and keep it pushing. So I braided it down. I will let you guys see all of the perimeter I left out, as well as my leave out that you see here. I used a spandex dome cap, not the tight dome cap, but the very loose one. And I created a small perimeter braid around my hairline and my leave out section. And then I added big braids in the middle part just to hurry up and finish my braids. And I sewed my cap all the way around the perimeter. You'll see it there, okay? I got my glue, nothing fancy, nothing new. I mixed a little bit of spare hair that I had around, as well as the DHG hair that I had for my microlink sew-in. I put it in and I cut it. So, first things first, you always want to start with the nape. I lay my tracks horizontally. You'll see me do it in the video. I lay my tracks horizontally. And then I just keep laying. Like, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing magical. I just keep laying my tracks up. But I laid like 2 tracks from here all the way down, and I brought it around. And again, all the way down, and I brought it around. Simply for me to be able to pretty much wear my hair like this. I didn't know if I wanted a heavy swoop in my face. You see the angles. You see what it's hitting for. You see the angles. You see it. Even if you hate to see it, you see it. As you see, moving on. Are you guys excited about 2020? Like, I know this may sound corny, but I'm really excited about 2020 because I feel like, you know, there's symbolism in numbers. Numbers, I'm a fan of numbers because they don't lie, they don't change. It's right or wrong. You don't get no bull crap with numbers. It's right, wrong, that is it. And I'm really, really big into numerology and angel numbers, etc. Anyway, I just feel like 2020 is definitely the year for clarity, for vision. I don't know why it took so long for me to get my life in order. I don't know why it took so long for me to be consistent with YouTube. I don't know why, but I definitely feel like this is the year. And it is proven to be the year. But anyways, that was a quick little rant. Let me know what you guys feel below. Like, do you guys feel like this year is going to be good? Are you guys inspired? Are you looking to start new business ventures? Like, what are your goals for 2020? Just let me know. We can already start preparing ourselves mentally for the new decade. Like, we're going into a new decade. We need mentality shifts. We need goals. We need to get it done, okay? At this point, I'm pretty sure I'm already cutting my hair. So what I did was I cut this freestyle literally in front of my phone because I actually wanted you guys to see me do my hair from start to finish this time. So I started on this side. I started cutting, you know, just cutting it, you know, cutting it until it looked like what I wanted it to look like. I continue to cut. I'm gonna let you guys watch that. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna slide. Just know that I'm going to cut my hair, and then I'm going to blend my leave out, and then I'm gonna lay my edges, and then that is pretty much it. Just give me a thumbs up, guys, because I didn't drop the ball. I just want everyone to be successful, and we all have the same amount of hours in a day, and we can accomplish so much. And sometimes we just need a little bit of accountability to be held accountable. And I definitely feel like with my channel growing, I'm held more accountable, and I really, really thank you guys for that. Maybe I need you guys too. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming to my channel and supporting me. You know my motto, bye now. And if you don't, and if you're new, go ahead and click subscribe. I'm gonna remind you guys to wake up, pray, get pretty, hustle, and repeat. Your girl is out. Bye. Bye.